If your Microsoft Climpchamp app doesn't load your videos or projects, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Now this issue is usually on the end and the problem normally resolves itself. However, you can try the steps below. Now, if you go to the various forums like the Clipchamp subreddit forum, you can see lots of people complaining regarding the same issue. And after just a few hours or days, the issue normally resolves itself. Now you can try the steps below. Just try to restart your network. So sometimes if your network is poor or bad, this can cause your videos or projects to fail to load. Just come here to the system tray, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, then reconnect it back and ensure that your internet connection is just working fine. Close Climpchamp app. After closing it, try to restart the app and then try to check if the issue has been resolved. If you're still facing again the same problem, try repairing the app. Now to repair the app, you can press Window key plus I on your PC to open up your settings. Then select here on apps, select install the apps, and then make sure to scroll down to look for the Climpchamp. On the list of install the apps, scroll down to look for the Microsoft Climpchamp app. So scroll down to look for the Microsoft Climpchamp. As you can see here, the Microsoft Climpchamp. Select on the three dots here and then select advanced option. Scroll down, you'll see an option called the repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So select here repair. If you don't fear about losing your data or projects, then you can select here reset. This will reset your app. Or you can simply uninstall it and then reinstall back from the Microsoft Store. So you can uninstall it, go to the Microsoft Store and reinstall it back directly from the Microsoft Store. Now, if this doesn't fix your issue, you can try this step here. If all else fails, use the website version, as sometimes their app has issues or bugs that usually resolve themselves. So if it all fails, then you can try to use their website version, which is called climpchamp.com. You can also edit using their website version if the app fails to load. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this just helped you, and see you next time.